So we have 4 raised to power x plus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2x. So we'll use our exponent's properties. So before solving these type of question, you need to remember all the exponent properties, how it works. So for this question, we will use this. For we can write 4 raised to power x plus 1 as 4 raised to power x and 4 raised to power multiplied by 4 raised to power 1. And we can write 3 raised to power 2x as it is. Now, we can also write 3 raised to power 2x as 9 raised to power x. You know, the 2 will, the 2 is basically the square, so we'll just do the square of 3 and write the x as it is. So it will become 4 raised to power x, 9 raised to power x, and 4 raised to power 1 is 4 only, so we don't need to write 1 again and again. And as these have the same powers, we can multiply the base. This is one of the exponents properties. Just let me know in the comments if you want the exponents properties. And we can write this as 3 raised to power x multiplied by 4. This will be our answer.